Hello everyone, today I want to show you how you can replace the battery fob from Volvo key. It's for Volvo S90, XC90, XC60, 40 and many other models. What you need is the key, good. You need some batteries, the new model 2032. And let's open the key. Here you have a little pin. We need a flat drive. Good. Open. Here you see the battery. You just pull this pin. This go out, and here, oh, it's a lot of that dirty. And here you need a flat screwdriver. Let me see what I have for this. Open. And look, this is the battery. My battery is new, I put it back. Put this cover back. You must align these two arrows. Close. You see here, close. Good. This cover back, and that's all. It's so simple.